Guys, today we are going bird watching. Here is a bird right here. As you can see, this bird has no idea that I am watching him. If he ever finds out, he might come and kill me. But I am watching the bird very silently, very still. There is the bird right there. It looks so beautiful. Next bird to watch. Yes, our second bird of the day. This bird is on a light line, and he's just hanging out up there. This is so beautiful, even though I can't see what color the bird is, but it's so beautiful. I love hearing the birds chirp. It sounds so beautiful. And here is our third and final bird of the day.
Sup?